guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are absolutely fine and very well. Today I have brought something new for you. Classic legend owned Yezdi company is finally back into the Indian markets after so many years of wait. They have got us 3 new bikes. They are namely Yezdi Scrambler, Yezdi Roadster and the all new Yezdi Adventure. All these bikes have different features. So today I will give a short walk around and what are their features. I will explain them and what personally I like about these bikes. The Scrambler. It has got a 334cc powerful liquid cooled engine with 6-speed gear transmission system, 29.1 PS of maximum power and 28.2 Newton meter of torque at 6000 RPM. The color which represent here is rebel red color of this bike, and personally this is the color which I like in this bike. It has also got twin exhaust, telescopic suspension at the front, twin shock up at the back rear side, fully digital instrument cluster along with Bluetooth connectivity, dual channel ABS with road, off-road and rain mode which is switchable according to our convenience, 19-inch of front tire and 17-inch of the rear tire, 320 mm of front brake disc and 240 mm of rear brake disc, 12.5 liter of fuel capacity of tank. The whole system we get is LED, the headlight, the indicators at the front and the back stop light is also LED. The key features which here are, we get a USB type B connector and USB type C connector port built in with this system. This is the fully digital instrument cluster where we can see we get a RPM meter, a speedometer along with time, gear indicator, fuel indicator, and here are some buttons with which we can change the mode according to our convenience, which are the road, off-road and the rain mode. The wheelbase is 1403 mm with seat height of 800 mm and 220 mm of ground clearance in this bike. And then we have a horn which is in this side, and the engine splits here where we get the twin exhaust at the back. Twin exhaust are present in the Scrambler as well as the Roadster. So as far as now, I have given you all overall the information about complete bike, that how is the engine, how is that the instrument cluster, the exhaust, the brake, front and the rear, the suspension. Now let's talk about the colors which we get in Scrambler. There are total 6 colors which we get. This one is the Rebel Red. Along with this we have the Mean Green, Midnight Blue, Yelling Yellow, Outlaw Olive and Fire Orange. These are the different colors which are available in Yezdi Scrambler bike. So now let's move on to the next bike, that is Yezdi Roadster. But before moving on to the next bike, I would like to tell you the close rivals of this bike are the Java 42, Benelli Imperiala and Classic 350 new generation Royal Enfield. These are the close rivals to this bike. So now let's move on to the next bike, which is Yezdi Roadster.
Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check is I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing, new focus.
Next bike, Yezdi Roadster. Yezdi Roadster also has got a 334cc liquid cooled engine with slightly more power of 29.7 PS and more torque of 29 Newton meter. Then we have the 18-inch front tire, 17-inch of back tire, telescopic front suspension, twin suspension at the back along with gas canister, 12.5 liter of fuel capacity tank, and full digital instrument cluster. But it does not, it has dual channel ABS, but that is not switchable. Double cradle frame, 790 mm of seat height, electronic fuel injection system which was present same as in Yezdi Scrambler, 6-speed gear transmission box, and 200 mm of ground clearance. These are some key features about this bike. Talking about the disc brake, we have 320 mm of the front disc, which is same as in Scrambler, 240 mm of the disc in the rear, but slightly long wheelbase of 1440 mm. LED headlights, LED indicators and LED stoplight at the back. There were the rumors that the engine used in Yezdi Roadster is same as Jawa Perak. Actually that is not true. This engine is more refined than Jawa Perak and it's completely different. I think talking about the colors, we have two variants in Yezdi Roadster, that is dark and chrome variant. In dark we have three colors, that is smoke grey, second one is steel blue, and third one is hunter green. And in chrome variant Roadster we have gallant grey and sin silver color. So these are all the key features what I was telling about. Now I will show you the instrument cluster of Roadster. So unlike Scrambler, we have key same position of Java. We have it in the right side with full digital instrument cluster with speedometer, odometer, time indicator, gear indicator, fuel meter. Along with we have different buttons to change the trip according to our convenience. We have here kill switch, LED flasher, hazard flasher, and bar and mirrors in this bike are looking really cool, which does not come in stock. Actually we have to buy it after market. Talking about the close rivals, Yezdi Roadster have Jawa Perak, Royal Enfield Meteor 350 and Benelli Imperial as their close rivals in this category. Bike that is Yezdi Adventure. This is my most favorite bike along from all the three bikes which I have described in front, because this is the adventure bike which is most favorite category of mine. It has also got 334cc of liquid cooled engine, but slightly more 30.2 PS of maximum power, along with 29.9 Newton meter of torque, 6-speed gear transmission, telescopic front suspension, monoshock at the back, 320 mm of front disc, 240 mm of back rear disc brake, along with the switchable dual channel ABS with 3 modes, that are road mode, off-road mode and rain mode. This bike is going to give a tough competition to adventure bikes in its category. And overall it has also got a full digital instrument cluster along with built-in navigation system and Bluetooth connectivity, and as well as the USB type B and type C connector for charging our phones. And then we have built-in navigation system, due to which we don't need to keep our phone for map tracking once we connect it. The system, the bike itself shows that where you have to take the turns. 21 inch of front tire, 17 inch of rear tire, and along with single exhaust. This is the one of the best adventure bikes I have ever seen after so many years in this price range category. Talking about the lights, it also has full LED system, full LED headlights, indicators and LED stop light at the back. So now I will show you the instrument cluster and how the modes can be changed. So now I will show you the instrument cluster. It has turned on, like you can here see Yezdi has come. Then we have this Bluetooth connectivity here. Here we have the Bluetooth connectivity showing. Same, the instrument cluster is almost similar to Yezdi Scrambler and Yezdi Roadster. The only difference is that it has got a navigation system in this. Like, and then ABS is switchable. Like we can see here. Here the side stand, off-road mode and rain mode ABS is being shown, like you can see here. Then we can switch the trips along with whatever we want. Then we have the gear display and all. ABS can be turned on or off according to our convenience when we are driving on off-road, on-road or in rain. So because of this reason, this is my favorite bike, because in this price range category. And also one more thing, that with this cruise we can adjust the screen wherever, like you can take it upside or the downside, like whatever you want according to your convenience. Because when we are riding off-road, many of the riders they stand in the upright position, standing to avoid the bumps, so that to look at the instrument cluster we can adjust it accordingly. So this is all about the new Yezdi Adventure. Talking about the color, we have 3 color variants in Yezdi Adventure bike, that are Slick Silver, Mambo Black and Camo Green color. And we only get these many. Along with this, company has provided aftermarket things such as the panniers. Then we have tank guard. Also the tank capacity is 15.5 liters, which is highest among all the 3 bikes. Bike has got 3 rivals in its category, that is Royal Enfield Himalayan, KTM Adventure 250 and Benelli TRK 251.